Hello, I'm Jonathan, KA6 USA, an associate editor with Ultimate Motorcycling Magazine. Now in Ham on a Hog 3, we've got this beautiful 2020 Harley-Davidson Road King Limited, and we're going to play around with the Icom IC-705 and have a little shack in a box that weighs 8.4 pounds. So follow us in. Thanks. I'm here today at the David Brown Scenic Overlook in lovely Malibu, California. And although a bit overcast, it's certainly a fine day to do radio. Today I've got an IC-705 from Icom. It's a QRP transceiver that's wildly taking the ham radio universe in a new direction. QRP means it's 10 watts or less. And while it's low power, it sure is something that can handle all bands, all modes, or certainly most of them. The IC-705 here in the LC-192 backpack is a combination that lets me take just this equipment with me, and that's all that I need. Why would one use a QRP radio? Well, it's easily portable for summits on the air or parks on the air, or anytime one wants to take a radio that can fit into almost any pocket. In a 2.4 pound form factor, this radio will fit almost anywhere and go anywhere you'd like to take it. It can operate on most radio bands and does most modes like AM, FM, digital, D-Star digital voice, single sideband, RTTY, and so many other ways that it can be adapted for whatever uses you want to put it through. There's an almost endless list of features that this radio can handle. I'd like to take you through some of them, as well as all the accessories that I've brought with me for this ride. For this video, we'll take a look at the IC-705, Icom's AL-705 magnetic loop antenna, the LC-192 backpack, Alpha Antenna's enhancement kit for the AL-705 loop, and we'll take a look at some of Bioenno's batteries, like their 3, 4.5, and 6 amp versions, which are perfect for QRP and probably last all day. Let's take a look at the LC-192 backpack. With it, I can transport everything I need. Anecdotal reports say that the backpack's too small, but for me it's perfect. In the top, I'm able to nestle the radio. I like to operate with the radio outside of the backpack, so I don't use the leather thong and 1/4x20 stud that's standard with the backpack. Additionally, if I were to operate this radio inside the backpack, as many do, I have pass-throughs to the bottom, side, microphone, where I can bring my feed lines, microphone, power, and everything to the radio all from within. Now, if you know, QRP radios are 5 to 10 watts. Why would you want a 5 to 10 watt radio? The radio is great for parks on the air, summits on the air, going to the beach, vacation, cruise ship after COVID, whatever you like to do. And that's the beauty of it, that I can take a radio this small, 2.4 pounds, and with the accessories I've weighed it, it weighs 8.4 pounds, and I can take this out and do almost anything I like. Additionally, There is a mounting bracket riveted in that some operators will put VHF, UHF, and even HF antennas and feed the line down through the bottom. We've got the Molly webbing here, where I've seen other guys attach larger cases to this case. I've got two nice straps with a chest buckle. I've got an opening here. I can fit a modest laptop, pad, or any kind of writing implements. I've got a pocket in the side for mesh. Perhaps it will fit the AH705 Icom tuner when that comes out. So let's see what's inside now. What's inside is another big pocket here, 3 pockets, and everything I need to get on the air. Feed line, tuner, and magnetic loop, the AL705 from Icom. For right now, I've got a 3 amp Bioenno battery. We'll run this at 12 volts. I've got a microphone that's also a speaker if I like, and power cables. And that's all I need to run this rig. Now it's time to set up the AL705 magnetic loop. It's made by Alpha Antenna but sold exclusively by Icom. Let's move the radio, which we've already taken out of the backpack, and make a little space for ourselves. Now, interestingly, this is what comes with the antenna. The tuner, the loop with the pickup, and a feed line. I like the tripod mount. This TM705 is actually sold with the Enhancement kit, but I find that if I snap it into the tuner, I'm able to hang the loop or use a tripod. For now, we'll take it off. I like to set up the loop with the tuner facing me. I unwind the main loop, add it onto one side, either side, and having the tuner on the deck like this allows me to get the loop pretty much in the right plane that I want it. So it's really as simple as that. Now I torque these connectors, these PL259s, pretty nicely so that they won't droop later. Next, I take the connector that comes with these, I put it in between and snap it shut, or do it thusly. So now I've got the antenna pretty well set up. I'm going to attach the feed line and put it behind the tuner, tighten it in, and I'm done. Now my choices are to leave it on the table like this. Now of course I want to do this, and some of the experts tell me that making the loop wider than deep helps the conductivity of the signal. I can operate just like this, but I have a couple of other choices. If I use the tripod mount, I can unscrew the carabiner and stud, put the tripod mount in thusly, and now I can mount it to a tripod. I think I've got it backwards, so let's go the other way. There. Now that would go on a tripod, or Alternatively, I can put the 1/4x20 stud in with the carabiner, and this antenna will operate hanging in a figure-8 configuration just as effectively as if it were the other way around. So with or without a tripod, hanging or just on the deck, as I've shown you, that's all I need to get started. The enhancement kit sold by Alpha Antenna will add another outer loop. And I have a choice. I can use their outer loop alone for 10 to 40 meters, or I can put it in series with this loop for 40 or 80 only. Let's take a look at the RM705, the rig mount. We've got the TM705 tripod mount plugged into the bottom of our tuner. It's supporting the loop, and at the same time it supports the radio. Perfect application if one only has a chair and no table, or even no chair. Just set it up anywhere, have the rig ready, have the loop ready, one's in business. So from here, we're going to set it up and actually operate and show some of the things that the IC-705 is capable of doing and why it's so fun to operate. Okay, here's the IC-705 in its element. Sitting in the park. We've got the loop going, got it tuned, got some nice activity on the band.
I'll let you swing it around there. WR6G, K0K, Colorado.
There's a couple of signals at the same place.
I might just do that, but they're not cheap, as you mentioned. They're not, they're not $4 or $5 anymore. That's for sure.
Should we find a little
well, you could change
spot? KA6 USA is this frequency in use. CQ, Kilo Alpha 6, Uniform Sierra Alpha, from the hills above Malibu, QRP, CQ, and listening. We can also go into the menu. Amazing menus. If we go to voice,
CQ, this is Kilo Alpha 6, Uniform Sierra Alpha, KA6 USA, QRP in Thousand Oaks, California, KA6 USA, CQ, anyone, anywhere, and listening.
well, we're not in Thousand Oaks, California. As we're operating, let me point out the amazing color screen. There's so much I can do, including memory selection from it, band selection from it. Go down to 40 meters. I'm tuned for 20, so let's stay there for now. There's a robust menu system.
We hope your meeting with the surgeon on Tuesday goes
where I can run my scope, audio, voice, meter, if I want to see my meters running.
So, well, Happy New Year to you and your family there. And,
go back to the menu.
Your way there for a good new year.
Memory pad. I can scroll down all the places I've been. I can bring the scope back up. Quick functions for tuner, transmit power. And if I go into digital, And I don't have a digital antenna, but we'll put one up in a minute. I can go into the menu, and there's a whole second menu for me for digital voice memories, CD, all kinds of gateway, photos, GPS, and more. This is equipped with a GPS. I'm able to know exactly where I am. And in D-Star digital voice mode, I'm able to transmit my position.
This is the newest rig I got, and I got it about a couple months ago, 3 months ago maybe. But
everything has multiple uses.
With,
mic gain, power, compression, monitor.
Hybrids, the Kenwood 830 and the Yaesu.
As you can see.
Anywhere from there to plus 5.
You're down. So you won't hear me on 40.
The front-facing speaker makes listening really good, although I can also plug this in and I'm able to use my microphone as a speaker mic. I also have 4 programmable buttons on the mic that I can set up almost any way I might like as far as scanning, tuning, and what have you.
Probably would took a hit. And your thoughts about it?
Is this frequency in use? CQ, KA6 USA, QRP in Malibu, California, KA6 USA, CQ, anyone, anywhere, and listening. My plans are to take this radio just about everywhere I go once winter and the pandemic are behind us. And because of its small form factor, it may be far and away the most capable small-sized rig anywhere, ever. For the motorcyclist or anyone else who likes to take a radio off to faraway places and is short on carrying space or wants to travel light, this unit really has no equal. In the meantime, it's also been a lot of fun operating in my backyard when the sun is shining. Thanks for spending time with me in the IC-705. I look forward to so many fun times together.